Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to hide chat on Viber. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Viber app and long press on the chat which you want to hide, and then tap on hide chat. To hide your chat, you will need to set a pin, so for that tap on set pin and enter here a 4-digit pin and retype the pin here, and the pin has been successfully setted. To view the hidden chats, you will need to enter the hidden code number, so now tap on OK. So here you can see the chat has been hidden. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.